Hello students, this video is presented to you by Gaurav Malik, PRT, KV Dogra Lines, Meerut, Kent. This video is in the topic Sing a Song of People from Unit 9, Class 5th, English. Let us have a look at the learning outcomes. Through this video, students will be able to recite the poem with correct pronunciation, intonation, and expression. Know about new words that appeared in the story. Be able to form sentences. Be able to answer questions based on poem. Know about opposite words. Everybody seems to be in such a hurry these days. I wonder why. Sing a Song of People. This poem is written by Lois Lansky. Let us read the poem. Sing a song of people, walking fast or slow, people in the city, up and down they go. Let us understand the poem. This poem is written by Louis Lansky, and this poem captures the fast-paced world we are living in. This poem begins by telling us that how people are in a hurry every now and then. Their walking pace can be different, maybe slow or fast, but they are always walking around in the city and are always in a hurry. People on the sidewalk, people on the bus, people passing in back and front of us. Let us understand the poem. You will find people walking on sidewalks and on buses too. The poet further says that you will find people in front of you and behind you, but always in a hurry. People on the subway, underneath the ground, people riding taxis, round and round and round. Let us now understand the poem. After that, the poet asks you to take a look at the people on the subway that is underneath the ground. What is a subway? A passage under the ground, maybe under a street, and it is for pedestrians. Then, the ones who are going somewhere in a taxi, everyone is going round and round and always in a hurry. People with their hats on, going in the doors, people with umbrella when it rains and pours. Now let us understand the poem. Here the poet wants to say that nothing can stop people when they are in a hurry. If there is too much sun, then they will put their hats on, and if it rains, then they will not wait for the rain to stop. Instead, they will take an umbrella and will hurry to their destination. People in tall buildings and in stores below, riding elevators, up and down they go. Now let us understand the poem. Here, the poet says that she can see people in tall buildings and in the stores below. Some are riding the elevator and it keeps going up and down. People walking singly, people in a crowd, people saying nothing, and people talking loud. Now, let us understand the poem. Here, the poet tells us something interesting about crowd. The poet states that even though everyone is walking individually, they all make up a whole crowd. In other words, while they are separated, they are still united. The poet further describes the behavior of different people. Some people like to talk aloud and others like to remain quiet. People laughing, smiling, grumpy people too, people who just hurry and never look at you. Sing a song of people who like to come and go. Sing of city people you see but never know. Now, let us understand the poem. The poet says that some people always laugh and smile, some are grumpy, that means they are ill tempered, but they are always in a hurry and never bother to look at you. In the last, the poet asks you to sing a song of city people who will keep coming and going. You will see them, but you will never know them as everyone is in a hurry. Conclusion. The poem helps us take a look at the fast moving world through another perspective. It appeals us to halt and take a moment to look around and not be in such a hurry all the time. Let us have a look at the new words. The first word is subway, meaning underground passage for people to cross. Use in sentence. No one in the subway seemed to mind how crowded it was. Next word is underneath, meaning below. Use in sentence. The boy is playing underneath the table. Next word is elevators, meaning lift. Use in sentence. Nikhil left the elevators and went to his apartment. Next word is grumpy, meaning ill tempered. Use in sentence. He had been in a grumpy mood since he got up. Now, let us do few questions based on the poem. The first question is, which modes of transport do the people use to move around in the city? So, in the city, people use cars, taxis, buses, trains, trams, rickshaws, etc. to move around. Next question is, what are the things that the people carry with them while moving around? So, while moving around, people carry bags, briefcases, suitcases, etc. Next question is, where all do you find these very busy people? We find all these busy people on roads, on bus stops, on sidewalks, in market, etc. Next question is, where have you seen crowds of people? We have seen crowds of people at railway stations, bus stands, shopping malls, stadium, cinema halls, fairs, etc. Next question is, why do you think all these people are in a hurry? People are in a hurry because they have multiple tasks to do within limited time. Let us see some opposite words. First word is slow. Its opposite is fast. Next word is back. Its opposite is front. Next word is below. Its opposite is above. Next word is loud. Its opposite is quiet. Next word is up. Its opposite is down. Next word is tall. Its opposite is short. Next word is crowd. Its opposite is alone. Next word is go. Its opposite is come. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon to never miss any update.